How you doing, Simon? Well, you alright, man? Good to see you, looking good.
Really pretty.
Yeah,
with all the lights on the trees.
Like skateboard and stuff. Looks like this is it. Enjoy it. No, take care. Enjoy it. Big man. Enjoy it. Fantastic to see you. Yeah. Quite as good. We good, good.
Are you going already? Hey, aren't you coming in?
It's not really my thing. I can't hear myself think in a place like this.
What?
I just don't like clubs.
Hello. Hey! Yeah, just come down. I'm sending it to Will. I'll see if they'll come out and then maybe we go to Charlie's.
Come here, baby. See you later, guys.
Bye.
See you soon.
See you later. So where do you work?
Green Dragon.
Okay, where's that?
It's basically just up in the sort of north bit.
I can't feel comfortable without drinking.
No, not at all. I'm not saying anything like that. But I was just like, it'd be nice if we could, just sit down. I'll have a nice sofa and we can have a nice glass of wine, maybe watch a movie, and then I'll get you a taxi home.
Get me a taxi home.
Get out.
Whoa. What? You guys put ketchup right in the middle.
Oh, come on. You're joking.
No, because there are rules, aren't there? You've got ketchup around the outside, so you can take the chip out and dunk it. I might call in sick.
Oh my god, please call in sick. Call in sick.
Cinema?
Yeah, yes.
Yeah?
Friday?
With my mum.
Yeah, but in the day.
I feel like I was doing something.
On Friday.
On Friday? Maybe not. Yeah, then definitely.
So inappropriate. Did they say when they were going to call? Like, did they say how long?
I just said it's going to be later in the week.
You are allowed to ask,
Oh. Out the job.
When did you find out?
Yesterday?
Why didn't you tell me yesterday? Wow. I kind of didn't think that you'd get I'm joking. No, I'm joking.
What?
I'm joking.
You didn't, did you?
No, you just talked it down so much. You're like, oh, waiting by the phone. I don't think I'm going to get it.
Yeah, but it's like, if you're negative about things can only be better, can't they?
Well done.
Anyway, it's your turn to make the tea. I'm going to celebrate by sleeping. Yeah, I'm alright. How are you?
Good, yeah. I should probably do this.
Well, yeah. I'll leave you to it.
Well,
Unless you're free for a drink or
Drink.
Coffee.
Yeah.
How's she doing?
My mum?
Yeah.
Yeah, she's good.
Yeah.
Yeah, really good. She's responding really well.
Good.
Yeah,
Good.
they're really pleased with her, so it's good.
I'm glad she's alright.
Yeah, she's like her old self again. It's mad, like the difference. It was just in a day suddenly. We're getting married in 2 months.
Yeah, I know. I got the invite. So what's this then? Closure?
Yeah, something like that.
Jeremy and Olive have both made the declarations required by the law of this country. They have chosen to exchange rings as a token of their marriage vows. It is now my pleasure to tell you that you are legally husband and wife.
Thank you. Thank you for coming. She missed me.
I miss her. I miss you. I brought Julia's favourite. Don't even drink port, but I figured she'd probably want us to anyway.
Actually.
I don't actually drink anything anymore.
Oh. Alright, okay. That's cool. Yeah, cool. I'll just put it over here with the others. You'll get drunk, it's okay.
It also does the same kind of stuff.
There's a lot of cases coming in, so it's pretty late, long hours, things like that. But it kind of helps because it's just starting a course.
What? You're doing it? Actually? Amazing. I think I might be moving out though. Don't really know yet. That's sort of downsizing, maybe. A bit of a flat.
Oh, what do you want at the moment then?
Sorry?
Where are you at the moment?
Just down the road actually, not far. A couple of miles. But looks like it does have 3 bedrooms. Where's your room? Where is it?
In the bin.
In the bin.